Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. I wanted to start off by showing you guys my room because currently I really love it. I already posted on my Instagram, but I'm loving how it's coming together. I do want to put a picture above the bed, but I really want to gear my channel more towards home decor, redoing things in my home, deep cleaning the home, and also hauls. So that's mainly what my channel is going to be about from now on because I just love home decor, interior design, all of that. I got that olive tree from Amazon on Prime Day, 7 feet tall. I was debating between that and an ice maker, but I chose that because I really like pebble ice, and the pebble ice was still like so expensive. So I just wanted to show you my room, and yeah, it's coming together. It's still not complete, but this is from Target. Sheets are from Target, pillows, Amazon. Side tables are from TJ Maxx, and my rug is also from Amazon. So I really like it. I look forward to going to bed every single night. It's such a tranquil space, and I love reading in here. It's like my favorite. So starting off by showing you guys my cozy, beautiful room. This is my hallway, and I don't know about you guys, but when I don't like something in my home, I have to redo it. I can't stop thinking about it. So this hallway I actually don't like, which is crazy. I love my wallpaper. Of course, that's my main thing that I love about this hallway, but that's all I like. So we're gonna be redoing this. I don't know when, but yeah, it's just something isn't flowing together with it. I can't wait to decorate shelves for Christmas time around here, but I don't even know if I want to keep these shelves. I don't know. So yeah, I just wanted to, that sticks out to me like a sore thumb, and I'm just, I don't know, I'm not vibing with that. But yeah, let me know if you're the same way, if you suddenly don't like something in your home and you're like, I need to change it now. I'm gonna work on this bathroom and deep clean it with you guys. I like starting with the sink and then working my way to the toilet. And I also spray everything down with my Lysol spray that I love this. I use it for everything. There is some construction kind of going on in the bathroom, so you'll see that. This house has a lot of issues that I just never talk about, and I'm never going to, but it's all a work in progress and we will get it all fixed. It's just, one thing at a time. So I'm gonna start off with the sink and then I'll work my way to the toilet, and we're just gonna deep clean and scrub everything down. I always use this Clorox wand, and my friend Ashley told me to actually use it for the sink first and then work my way to the toilet, so you get kind of double the use out of it. Oh my god, why is this so hard to do with my left hand? But it's so cool how it foams up like this. So I always clean my sink and then I go to my toilet. But yeah, wow, left-handed, I am unwell. I already have one of those blue pods in the back of it, so it makes the toilet look blue, so it's cleaning it every day. But I do love to do this probably once every 3 days. I actually have to buy more of these Clorox wands, but there's something so satisfying about this. I always wipe down Oakley's little step stool for the potty. I have to do this every day. And also my shower curtain. I realized because we have 10 feet ceilings that our shower curtain it looks so silly because it's not hitting the floor. So I just ordered another one and it will look a lot better. I love how tall our ceilings are, but that doesn't look right to me. Okay, the last thing to do in this bathroom, I did the sink, I did the toilet, I wiped down the cabinet. Last thing to do is to mop. I got this mop from Amazon, and it is 90% hot water in there with 10% of Mr. Clean. So I'm just gonna clean the floors, and then I am going, I don't know. Yes, you can pick out a pop. One last one. Does anyone else's child want pops all day long? Okay, the bathroom is now clean. I can't wait for that shower curtain to come in the mail because I'm just not loving that, but this is my clean bathroom. And also I have something exciting to tell you guys. I don't know why I decided to go with drama for my makeup today, but my Cuddle clone of Teddy is out for delivery, and I'm really, really excited about it. I can't wait to see. I'm hoping it looks like Teddy, you know. Scott doesn't know it's coming in the mail today, so I'm gonna kind of surprise him with that later. And Oakley's really excited to see it too. So we will unpackage it a little bit later on. I don't know, sometimes the mail comes really late, but I don't know, like, do I film myself opening it, or do I just like just open it with Oakley? I don't know, but I am really excited to get it. I'm about to clean the kitchen, but we finally got a shade for over the window, and I had to order this on blinds.com. It was expensive, which is why I was putting it off for so long. We just had like a paper shade before, but this is like a custom, because of the size of it, it had to be custom. So it was like $85 on sale. It was going to be like $120, and I'm like, oh my God, that's crazy. It's crazy for a shade. Shades and blinds are like actually ridiculous. But I did get 3 books off of Amazon, and these were some of your recommendations off of my Instagram. I got The Couple Next Door, Don't Believe It, and The Perfect Couple. A lot of people have talked about this one and said they really liked it. A couple of people recommended this one, and then same with this one. I started this one 2 nights ago. I like barely have gotten into it. Hopefully I like it, hopefully. And then I think 1 or 2 people said that they did not like this one, so we'll see. This is a very small read. Like this, that's gonna take me a day. This one's bigger, and I'm not like, so far I'm not like grasped, you know what I mean? So we'll see, but those are the books that I picked up, and I'm already on 15 books for the year, and my goal was 21, so I do feel really good about that. Right, now I'm gonna clean this kitchen before the baby wakes up. The time's actually 10:30, I have to fix that. And then after, maybe in like an hour, I'm gonna order Panera, because I've been really liking the Southwest chicken salad. That's been so good, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, there's nothing that makes me more happy than a clean kitchen. I love how it looks in here. It will not stay like this, but it's nice and clean now. And now I'm gonna build a Lego castle with Oakley, and then we are gonna order some lunch. So he's already starting the Lego castle without me. I also got that wall art, but I'll show you that at a different time. And I bought new dining chairs, finally. Okay, so I just got the Cuddle clone package in the mail. I haven't opened it yet. Hey, girly. Girly's trying to walk. It said it would take 8 weeks, and I think it's been 4. So just so you know, if you order one, it's faster than it says. Like, you don't even have to pay for the extra shipping. Let's see if it looks like Teddy. Like, I'm worried that it's just like not gonna look like him, but I hope it looks like him. It's small. It looks a little bit like Teddy. Like, Teddy was just such a like distinct face. Okay, from behind, this looks just like Teddy. From behind, that's his like literal head, isn't it? The face does not, like, the face kind of looks like Teddy, but like also that's not Teddy's face at the same time, you know? I want to show Oakley and see if he thinks it's Teddy or like looks like Teddy. Come here, come here. Close your eyes. Does it look like Teddy? Does it look like him? Tell him, girl. I just did a workout. It's the next day. Okay, baby, that's fine. All right, it's chaos in here. It's chaos as usual. Keep an eye out. Who are you sitting on the couch with? Mama slept with Teddy last night. I tried to fix this. Can I see him for a second? I can't.
You can't touch Mommy or Kiki.
Okay.
All this stuff.
Oh, okay. So it's the next day, and we're having insulation installed in the house right now because the house had 0 insulation. So in the summer it's really hot in here, and in the winter it's really cold. So we're having the insulation done today. I think it's gonna take 3 days maybe. And then we're also like finishing up the deck and the stairs. So I'll be sure to show you guys the deck once it's like completely finished.
No, I'll flash here.
She's fine. She's fine. It's okay. She's not going near your fort. She loves that cold air. Baby, she's okay. All right, she'll come over here. Good morning. It's a few days later. The last couple of days have been really chaotic and I just haven't had time to film. The insulation people are here day 3. They're insulating the entire house, so it's been very loud. But would you believe me if I said both babies are sleeping right now? Oakley doesn't take naps anymore. He's 3, but he suddenly has a fever and I'm not sure how he got it because we don't go anywhere, but we did go to the beach on Saturday and at first I thought it was like heat stroke. Like he just felt so hot, but he just is suddenly sick. So he is sleeping because he's exhausted. The baby's sleeping. She's fine. She doesn't feel sick right now, I don't think. No fever or anything, but I don't know. It's just always something. And if you're a stay-at-home mom or, you know, just life in general, if this is happening to you where you just feel like you can't catch a break, let me know in the comments down below. It's just like, can't catch a break with like anything. It's one thing after the other and it's just crazy. I'm waiting for the year to suddenly like turn into an amazing year. I do this every month and I'm like, we're here, we're almost at Christmas, what's happening? Anyways, enough about that. They're sleeping, so I wanted to vlog. I just cleaned up a little bit and my mom dropped off some clothes for Oakley because Oakley will be starting preschool very soon and she got him some clothes from Zara and I love Zara. Look at this little varsity jacket. This is adorable and it says on the back, you've got this, today is your day. Zara is just the cutest for clothes. So she got that, this short sleeve shirt, just a plain cute one, a pack of 3 t-shirts, and a little sweatsuit that's black and it says New Games, what the heck is New Games Generation. I don't know, I love sweatsuits. You guys know this. I could wear them every day. And then some socks and this little Minion shirt, which I think he's like secretly scared of Minions, but he does love bananas. So my mom got him those clothes from Zara and then I got a package today from Pixie. Also today the dining room chairs are coming in, but I don't think I'm gonna vlog that because I think they're coming in like way later in the day. Dining room chairs are coming in and then I am surprising Scott with a new computer chair because his broke and he hasn't had a computer chair in like a month now. And I didn't get like a super expensive one, but I got him a new chair that he doesn't know about. Anyways, so Pixie sent over this little set. This is the Keep Glowing After Sun. So it has After Sun face sheets and then it has EOD cleansing oil. I really like cleansing oils. And then this little sun hat is so cute. I don't think I'm a hat person. I really wish I was because hats are so cute. Look at this little bucket hat that says Pixie. we're not even gonna put it on, but I bet this would be really cute. So thank you to Pixie for sending that over to me. I think my mood is just, I think it's fine. I'm just like tired and I think I need to like chug water and get my energy back because it's so early in the day for me to be tired already. 10:22 and I just need to pick up the energy and look a little bit more alive. So I'm gonna try and get some things done while they're both sleeping and I'll talk to you in a little bit. I ended up getting a new shower curtain. I don't know if I already mentioned that I was doing that, but this one is like a green and I think it looks way better because it's like literally touching the floor. So we got that. Okay, let me give you guys a little update on this Cuddle clone. This is the stuffed animal. I'm sending it back to do alterations. They do alterations for free. First of all, the tail's falling apart underneath. And I'm like, wait a second, this thing is way too expensive for it to be falling apart. Like they didn't stitch this. See that? The tail is like sticking out, this hard piece, and then the fluff is coming out of its tail. And trust me, we're not really playing with this. I like keep it on my bed the whole time. Oakley's like hugged it a few times, but not enough for like the tail to literally fall apart. So what they're gonna do, hopefully, is leave the body, because I feel like this looks like Teddy. Like, this is Teddy. Teddy's body, Teddy's exact coloring. Now the face, to me, doesn't look like Teddy, and I wish it did. I guess I see some similarities, right? but it's not Teddy's face. And I know it's not gonna be perfect, but if I look at this, I'm like, I don't see Teddy. It almost looks like, kind of from the side, a little from the side right there. But from front on, I'm like, this looks like almost a different breed to me. I don't know. It's not Teddy's face. It's like pointier or something. It's not as round. Teddy's face is like round and like, I don't know. So I'm sending it back to hopefully make it look a little bit more like Teddy. I think they're gonna take away some of the white because I don't think Teddy had this much white. I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, some of you on my Instagram were like, that looks exactly like Teddy. And then some of you were like, oh no, that's not his face. And I don't think it's his face. So some maybe minor changes, but it's not gonna be perfect. Because like I said on my Instagram, nothing ever will be perfect because he's not actually here anymore. So I don't know. Like, Teddy, you're in there somewhere, but I don't think that's your face. Made these cute little flower arrangements for Freya's birthday party. So I think those are really cute. But I'm gonna end my vlog here so I can edit it and get it up for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.